Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can build your own crafting table. So you can make photos for your blog, for your project, whatever, very fast. And you can make tutorials without a big setup. And you just have to start doing your stuff. So enjoy, and please leave a comment. Actually, this is one of my first tutorials, so give me feedback. I know the camera is not perfect sometimes, but I did my best and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions down in the comments, please feel free to write and get into contact. So what do we need to build our table? For me it was important to have a cheap solution that works pretty well for me. It doesn't have to be fancy or something, I just want to have a solution that works pretty well. So I used an old table I already had, something that won't be missed. I bought some laminate, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. The boards that look like wood but actually aren't wood, something like this. You see this and then you know what I mean. And an IKEA construction where you can hang stuff. So with this 3 parts I'm building my table. So I had to buy nothing, but yeah, the construction might cost something like 15 or to 20 euros. But even that was over for us. And the laminate for us was, yes, I think something like 30 or 40 euros. So not that expensive. So with these 3 elements you can actually start building your table. So let's start. Okay guys, so let's start. What do we do first? At first we need to really check if in the end all this will fit. So I'm not already fixing stuff, but bringing all on the table. And what I have here is the size of the construction from IKEA. And what I can see now is that it might fit, but I'm not sure it will in the end. So maybe we'll have to sew some of it, but I'm not sure yet, and I'll take the risk and let's see how it will work. So now we've got our table and we'll start by fixating the first of the boards onto the table. So where do we fixate? Is that the word? I really should do my homework beforehand and start researching for vocabulary. So I fixated, hopefully it's the right word. I started to fixate the first board. So the screw is best. That's my little buddy, he's yelling at me because this is really not my strong suit. And he tells me how to be a better worker. So, as far to the border, to the edge as you can get, because then it won't appear on the videos or on the photos. So as you can see now, I just fixed, I will check the first board, so we'll be able to work with the next ones. So my next step will be to bring in the next boards. The system, the laminate, still not sure how to pronounce it, I'm using as a pretty simple click system. So I'm simply adding the boards. So as you can see, I added the next boards, and now I have to fix it, of course, on the other side as well. So now you can see the final plate for the table, which I think looks pretty good so far. Now I'll try to add the IKEA construction, and I just hope it will work. I decided to go with one board less than I planned in the beginning, because then I'm sure that that it will fit in the end and not be that the IKEA construction will not be too tight. Nice. So now you can see that the IKEA construction is standing about the table and surrounds it. So next step. So what I have here is a little tripod, and the great thing about this one is that you can bend the legs, and so I can simply, not with one hand, but I can simply add it to the metal. As you can see here, I can now add the camera. I just have one camera, so I cannot film the camera. But let's see how it will work out in the end. So my first try. So this is actually the first video I'm doing with my new table. I have to confess I had some problems with the camera, as it is a bit too heavy for the little tripod. So it's not that straight as I wanted it to be, but it seems to work. So what I really need is the remote control, because otherwise I always have to touch the camera and this will change the angle a bit. That's not what I want. So now I can sit relatively comfortable on a chair and work on my knitting stuff. So pretty comfortable. As you can see, it's one of these videos where you can only see the hand of some people. Hello. I'm happy that worked out. I wasn't sure. I made the tutorial without knowing if it will work out in the end, but it seems it's working. The color, the lights seem to be working, so not too many shadows. So guys, this was my first tutorial on making tutorials. So here I'm lying on my table now, on my crafting table. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And feel free to subscribe. Of course, follow me on Instagram. And like always, keep knitting.